cooking. Hello everyone, and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show.
And Sloth!
Yes, and Sloth. Today we're going to be making something based on Sloth's favourite song.
Oh, I know this one. Is it Baby Shark?
No, Sloth, it's jelly on a plate.
Oh, I love jelly.
Did you know in America they're called jelly Jello, and they have a whole week to celebrate it? To make your jelly, you will need gelatin cubes of any flavour, a measuring jug, some jelly moulds, yes, and a crown. How do I look?
Pretty good.
The first thing you need to do is boil the kettle. When you're handling hot water, make sure you have an adult's help. The first thing you need to do is get your slab of gelatin and tear it into cubes and put it in a jug. Now, carefully pour 285 millilitres of boiling water over the cubes. Make sure you get an adult's help. Next, all you need to do is stir until it's dissolved in. Once all of the cubes have dissolved into the water, add 285 millilitres of cold water. Now, pour into a jelly mould and leave to cool. Once the jelly mixture has cooled to room temperature, put it in the fridge and come back when it's set. But what shall we do while we wait? We could feed the fish.
Ooh, pretty fish. Hi, fishies.
Or paint a guinea pig.
That looks good. Do you want to see mine?
Of course, Sloth.
Do.
Wow, that's
Looks
amazing.
like a guinea pig. Finished. Or you could sing jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. Yay! When's my jelly going to be ready?
In a minute, Sloth. When your jelly is solid, take it out of the fridge, unmould it and watch it wobble.